Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Markets were down today. So the Dow was down 62 points. NASDAQ was down about 20 points. S&P was down. However, the Russell was up. All right. So let's take a look at the markets here. All right. Big picture should be intact. So the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ on the weekly frame should be fine. All right. On the daily time frame, everything looks good. All right. So Dow on the daily time frame looks good. So although we had some selling today, right, still looks good. Dow is holding. It's on the daily time frame. S&P is also holding. All right. Right there is holding. And the NASDAQ is holding and Russell. Now we don't have a buy signal on the Russell. All right. So no buy signal on the Russell right here. If it breaks through resistance right here on the Russell, we could see a buy signal on the Russell. All right. All right. Let's take a look at current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper. All right. Remember, we trade on the 240-minute time frame. All right, in Monster Scalper. So let's take a look at long positions. And we will take a look at equities this evening. All right, so long positions in Monster Scalper. All right, as you guys know, we've been long the yen pairs. All right, so that hasn't changed. All right, so USD, dollar, yen, all right, buy signal all the way down here, guys, all the way down here. All right, 148, we're trading at 150, so a little over 200%. All right, we're looking to break through resistance right here. USD JPY, great trade going here. All right, HKD JPY, all right, a bit of a pullback, right here. Buy signal here, right, retrace just a little bit. All green candles, right, no concern yet, right. Buy signal was right at 1898, trading at 1924. So good trade going there. All right. HKD JPY. SGD JPY also holding. So great trades, guys, with the yen pairs. All right. Buy signal here. All green candles moving up nicely. And look at the previous long trade. All right. So we actually improved from the previous long trade, which was right here, bought here, sold here, bought here, currently right up here. All right. Great trade going there. Swiss yen. Swiss yen still consolidated between support and resistance. All right. We did get some buying to come in. All right. So buyers came in today in a big way, big candle here right now, holding right at resistance. So good price action. We do need to get out of this area here, though. All right. So we need to break out, get out of this consolidation. Swiss yen, euro yen. All right. Continuing to trade nicely. All right. Buy signal here. Buy signal all the way down here, trading up nicely. Purple support and resistance. So just keep an eye on that. All right. But good trade going for right now about what's that, 160, 163, so about 300 pips on that trade. All right, good trade going there. Pound yen, right, another good trade. Buy signal here, trading up nicely right up that markdown, that marked up phase. Here is your trend line right here, all green candles, nothing to do. Pound yen, last yen pair. Swiss yen, right, we talk about Swiss yen. So Swiss yen holding right here. Now we do have some Aussie pairs. So Aussie CAD closed. So if anyone is trading Aussie CAD, make sure you close the trade, okay? So Aussie CAD, close that trade, please. All right, so let's review it. All right, buy signal was here, right? Red candle came in, all right? In the last 4 hours, red candle came in. Sell signal, red candle, sell signal, your white arrow here to close the trade. So close the trade, please. All right, red candle, So sellers could come in heavy on that. All right. So Aussie CAD, close the trade, please. Now, Aussie dollar also closed. Right. So Aussie dollar buy signal here, red candle, right? Sell signal, close the trade, please. All right. And we also have New Zealand dollar. Let's see how that did today. New Zealand dollar also closed. Okay. So, guys, keep an eye on that, right? Those Aussie pairs are closing, New Zealand pairs are closing. We might start to see some of these yen pairs close, all right, if selling continues. Okay. All right. So, buy signal here, New Zealand dollar. All right. Broke support right here. Red candle, sell signal, perfect sell signal to close the trade. All right. So, New Zealand dollar, close the trade, please. All right. So, clean up your trades here. We do have some shorts. You guys remember we were shorting the dollar. All right. We had some positions we had to close. Well, but guess what? We held a couple of the dollar pairs, and it looks like that worked out. All right. So let's take a look at those. All right. Just two short trades in Monster Scalper. USD DKK. All right. Short USD DKK. Sell short signal here. Right here, guys. Moving down nicely. All right. This was a concern yesterday, this white candle here. But guess what? Coming back down, target all the way down here. USD DKK. USD SEK. All right. This one is developing to a good short. Sell short signal is here. All right. Moving down nicely here. All right. Down your markdown phase. We have support right here. All right. First support. Let's say right about here. And then next support. We could actually bring this down here. All right. USD SEK. So we've got two shorts holding so far. All right. Now, Forex Dominator. Forex Dominator, long positions in Forex Dominator. Let's take a look at those trades. No, this is on the daily time frame. All right. So EURTRY, guys, gapped up. Look at EURTRY. All right. EURTRY. Gapped up. Look here. Gapped up really good, guys. Gapped up this evening. All right. Finally breaking out. Remember, it took a while to break through here. That resistance right here. All right. Moving up nicely. Now, USD TRY. These are Turkish pairs. All right. That's moving up, slowly moving up, but moving up nicely there. Okay. EURCZK. All right. A bit of a pullback. Buy signal here. Holding nicely, needs to break through resistance there. And then the dollar pairs really held in Forex Dominator. Dollar CAD, that's holding. Dollar Swiss, all right, buy signal here, that's holding. Target is right here, first target. USD CNH, right, holding here. We did get green candles came in today, right, after a bit of consolidation. All right, so buyers are coming in here. We need to break through resistance here, guys. Okay, USD CZK. All right, buy signal here. A bit of a pullback. We need buyers to come back in, move higher. USD DKK. All right, that's holding right here. Keep an eye on this one. Got white candles here. All right, so we need buyers to continue to move the price higher. USD HUF. All right, buy signal here. That's holding. All right, USD SGD. USD SGD. That's holding right here. We've got green candle coming in, guys, right here. Green candle coming in here. We need to test resistance right here. All right. We do have some yen pairs. So CAD yen. CAD yen continues to break through resistance. Buy signal here. There it is, breaking through resistance there. Pound yen. Pound yen. Look at pound yen, guys. All right. Broke resistance here. Moving up nicely. We've been talking about pound yen. All right. So great trade going here with pound yen. HKD JPY, that's your Hong Kong yen. All right. Buy signal here. Right. Breaking resistance, slowly breaking resistance, moving higher. SGD JPY, same thing here. But keep an eye on these yen pairs, guys. Keep an eye. We could get some selling in these yen pairs, but just pay attention to your trades. All right. And dollar yen, USD JPY, buy signal here, holding right at resistance right here. We need a break to break through that resistance here. All pound Aussie buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, still holding. All right, pound Swiss buy signal here, moving up nicely. Look at this, higher lows right here, higher highs, target right here, pound Swiss. So great trades in the yen pairs. All right, hey Anthony, welcome, Anthony, welcome. All right, so great trades. All right, only the Aussie and that Kiwi pair we needed to close. Otherwise, great trades in Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. Okay, we had some trades. Hold on. Shorts. All right, in interest rates. So we looks like we have to cover those. Let's take a quick look. Oh, hold on. We'll take a quick look at these here. Looks like buyers came in today. All right, this is the 5-year, gapped up a bit. All right, on the daily time frame, gapped up here. So keep an eye on that. We need sellers to come back down, right? We don't have any green candles yet, but it did gap up here. All right, we need this to gap down. Okay. All right, so that's 5-year, 30-year, right? Buy sell short signal here, right? Moved up a little higher there. So keep an eye on that. And then the 10-year right here. All right, still holding, but gapped up. All right, gapped up right here. The 10-year right here, gapped up. And then let's see here. And then the 2-year, did that gap up all the way up here? Oh my goodness. So that 2-year, guys, gapped up all the way here. Here's our sell short. All right, here's our sell short. This is the close of today. And look at there, we gapped up here. Look at that right here. So definitely keep an eye on that. All right. So sell short signal is here. So it gapped up right at that sell short signal. Okay. So we'll monitor those. So the 2-year, 5-year, 10-year, and 30-year. Okay. All right. Bitcoin is holding. Let's take a look at, we'll just take a look at Bitcoin. Hold on. Now remember, Bitcoin will follow the equity markets. Okay, so all right, we had a bit of selling, so that might. All right. Oh, still holding firm here. All right. So Bitcoin, oh my God, look at that. Bitcoin is at 54,000, guys. Wow. So big move today in Bitcoin. Right. Yesterday it closed at right around 51,000. Wow. So almost 3,000 points today on Bitcoin. Big candle here, and it's holding now. The target What a big move today. On the weekly time frame, we've got a target of 64,000. So Bitcoin looks good, guys, to get to that 64,000, right? We could see selling right about here, but wow, what a big move. Big move in Bitcoin. All right, big move. And the other cryptos should follow Bitcoin's move. Okay, big move. Here was the previous trade, right? Bought here, sold here, bought here, currently holding here. Good trade going with Bitcoin. Let's take a look at current positions. Oh, almost forgot. US 30 or US 30 traders, right? You guys remember we trade the US 30 on the 60-minute time frame. Now we're looking for shorts, all right? But we'll wait for confirmation, real confirmation. Now, all right, US 30, this was the buy signal here, right? We had to close that trade, got a sell signal right here. So great trade. Actually, our entry was right about here, all right? Sell signal here. This is the S&P, all right? Our buy signal was here, sell signal here. So great trades, all right? We'll see if we can get a short setup. NAS, the same thing with the NAS. Buy signal here, all right, and sell signal here. Now, shorts, we'll keep an eye overnight on the shorts. On the US 30, we have a sell short signal already. Okay, so let's see here. Hold on. All right, so we have a sell short signal right here, guys, on the US 30. Okay, we're still in the markup phase on the daily time frame, so we've got to make sure that sellers are in control. So, we've got red candle, sell short signal. All right, we just need some follow through. All right, so we'll wait because buyers could come in and push that price higher. We're keeping an eye on the short there. Okay, all right. Now, equities. We know what's going on with equities. So let's take a look at current positions in Stock Boss. Let's take a look at those. All right. All right. ALLO in Stock Boss. All right. Buy signal here. Holding firm, guys, heading towards its target here. Buy signal was at 365, trading at 463, holding firm. AMRN, that's holding. All right. ATAI, that's holding firm. Right. Resistance is right here. All right. So we did hit resistance. We pull back. So hopefully it will test resistance again. And hopefully this time will break out. Okay. All right. DCMO. This is a new one here. Really good markdown phase. Right here. Really good markdown phase here. And here we are. Markup. And target right over here. Right here. All right. Buy signal was at 735, trading at 805. So still early. Okay. All right. DNMR, another new one. Guys, remember we added these last week. All right, good markdown phase. All right, as your buy signal target here. All right, buy signal right at 98 cents. All right. All right, buyers are coming in here. DNMR. All right, another one, EBS, another new one here. We added good markdown phase. And here, buy signal right here. Added this last week. All right, first target, buy signal right around 285. First target, $14. Look at that. And then second target all the way up here. All right. All right. EBS. FULC. Buy signal was at 460. Look at this one. Keeps moving higher. Currently trading at 973. Right. Heading towards its third target, guys, right here. All right. And then if it can get past here, we don't have any resistance until right about here. All right. Great trade going there. And it's still holding. Even with some of the selling we've seen in equity, still holding. All right. And this is holding. That's holding, 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 consolidating there. NKTX, another good trade. The buy signal was at 184. Still holding here, guys. Pull back, looking to test resistance again. Trading at 1034. All right, if we can get past this resistance here, now this is a big resistance. Notice how this here support becomes resistance. So notice how it failed. Well, it didn't fail, but retraced, pull back here, pull back here. Here it is, looking to test that resistance again. Hopefully this time, right, works out. And note right here, Anthony's trade, buy signal here, holding firm. All right. So we need buyers to come in. We need the market to move higher, right? Get this moving. Target first, target right here, second target all the way up here. All right. So good trades in Stock Boss. Few more. NUVB. Look at that, guys. Nice break here of resistance. So buy signal here, big break, big candle today. That buy signal was at 141, close today at 198, heading towards second target right here. Right, big candle, looks great. Let's bring in next resistance. Should be all right about, let's say right about here. Okay. All right. So great move in NUVB. Look at that. Buyers came in heavy on a down day. On a down day. On OMER, right? That's holding strong, looking to get to its resistance here. RNA, right? Good markdown phase, really good price action. This is one, guys. If you got in here at the buy signal at 772, right? It's trading now at 1451. Right? If you got in here, these are areas where you could add build positions. Okay, so scale up. All right. So that's it for Stock Boss. We have a few in Bull Master. All right, we'll be done early this evening, guys. All right. ESTA, right? That's holding right here, holding firm. CLS, right? Continuing to move higher. Great trade here, right? LQDA, right? This was a reaccumulation phase, guy trade. So buy signal here. This was the first trade. Look at the second, right here, holding firm, even on a down day. That's always good. ARHS, right? Finally breaking resistance here. We talked about this one to pay attention to it. If you got white candles here, you might want to close the trade because this is where sellers are sitting. We talked about this one where it gap down here, sellers came in, pushed that price lower, gap down, a move here. All right. And we were thinking that, hey, we could see sellers come in here, but look, it's breaking out. Look at that. All right. So pays to be patient sometimes. All right. So breaking out. Next area of concern would be right here. So trade this, one candle at a time. All right. So good price action. And that's ARHS. MKSI, this one broke resistance, clearly broke resistance here. This is an area of concern. Hey, Solomon, welcome, Solomon, welcome. So this is an area here of concern right here. All right, so we've gotten past this area. Now we need to get past this area here, guys. Okay, we do have a purple support and resistance, green candles. All right, so if you're in it, all right, just pay attention to it. XPRO, right? That's holding right here. All right, that's holding. All right, we need to get up to this area here. This is where sellers are sitting. So we need to get up and then hopefully break through there. Okay. ALGN, all right, same thing here. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely. All right, even with selling, it's moving up. It's holding here. Okay. All right, so not bad. So both Bullmaster and Stock Boss, they're holding the current trades. We've trimmed a lot of these trades, so but holding fine. We'll take a quick look to see if we can add anything. Those buy signals are still firm. All right, on the Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq. So we went down a lot, only 62 points down on the Dow. All right, hold on. All right, so Stock Boss. And then Bullmaster here. All right, so we'll run Heat Seeker, see what we've got. We'll go through these quickly. We've got time. What time is it? Okay, we've got time. All right, so Stock Boss, let's run Heat Seeker. Oh, we got 41. All right, we'll go through this quickly, guys. We're looking for good new buy signals, okay? Good markdown phases. All right, CDMO, we're in that one already. DNMR, we're in that one already. EBS, we're in that one. HNST, let's open this up. All right, that first trade, good trade. Second trade, will pass. All right. Good setup, but it's a gap up, guys. Sometimes they will fill that gap. LU, no buy signal yet. All right. LYEL. LYEL. Yeah, we're not in this one here. So really good markdown phase, guys. Look at this. This one fell from all the way from $8 trading at 2. All right, 262. All right. Let's do this. We know it's got a decent markdown phase, but we'll start the trade from here. All right, buy signal right here on a break of resistance. And good big candles coming in. All right. All right, so look here. Big candles coming in, guys, right here. Solid candles. All right, broke resistance, buy signal there. So we've gotten past resistance right here. All right, and it's inexpensive. 262 is what it's trading at. All right, next target on this one is at 347. And then if the markets hold, if it holds, next target all the way up here at 626. Okay, so good setup here. LYLE, that's in Stock Boss. Okay. All right, we just need a buy signal there. Gone. Tapped up. NVAX. All right, we're not in this one. All right, good markdown phase, guys. Look at this. This one fell from, what's that? $76. All right. And trading at 550. Okay, so good trade here. Imagine the traders that kept it from $76 and trading it, and now it's at $5. All right. All right, buy signal 550, first target here. Let's bring this up right about here, 814. And then next target, if we can get past this area here, we have pretty good resistance. Hold on. All right, really good resistance here. All right, right in here, really good resistance. So if we can get it to this area here, next target all the way up here where it gapped down. So this area here, that's a big deal. That's at $10 and change. Okay. So if it can make it past this area here, good chance to move up higher. Okay. We do need the market to help. NVAX. Right now, it doesn't really matter as far as the sector, right? All the sectors, most of the sectors are moving with along with the market. Okay, that's gone. All right, nothing here. Still buying stocks. All right. All right. So that's it for Stock Boss. Let's take a quick look at Bullmaster. So we've got a couple new ones. Let's run Hit Seeker here. All right. 89, guys. 89 in Bullmaster. All right. These are more large cap stocks. We'll go through this quickly. We can look for reaccumulation in Bullmaster. Those are more expensive stocks, but they can hold and move higher, right? Create new highs. I'm very choppy. This is not a bad buy signal here. I know it's gone up a bit here. All right, but choppy trading it here. Okay, so we'll let that go. We need smoother price action to do a reaccumulation. That's gone. Look how they're buying these stocks, guys. Amazing. That BYON. Let's take a look at it. Nice buy signal. Okay. All right. So this one fell from was that 59? First trade did okay. Let's see if we can get another trade out of this. They're pushing that price. Let's see how it looks. The only thing with this trade is the risk reward. Not a very good risk reward. So yeah. All right. So it is getting past sellers here. Okay. But that's at 31, right? The high is at 60. Not a good risk reward. So we'll let this go. This one though, if not might not be a bad one for calls, okay? Short-term calls. All right. That's a new IPO, it looks like there. All right, let's keep going. Look at this. Look at the price action on these guys. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna add this one here. All right, this is the monthly time frame. Buyers are coming in here. We've got good support at around $2 right here. Now it's trading at 20. This is the monthly time frame. All right, but it could push up to about 50 there. It's gotten past. Look at that. Oh God, it's too far gone. This would have been a great trade here. Look here. So here's your resistance right here. Buy gapped up here. Buy signal came in right here, guys. Right here. Look at that price action. Even here would have been fine at about 16, but it's just gone up too far. Here's your buy signal here. It's at 20. That's gone up too far. Good trade there going though, with some daylight ahead. That's gone. Look at that. All right. Coin. I thought we traded coin. We might have traded coin. All right. So it's getting past resistance here. These reaccumulation trades, guys, in Bull Master can really work out when the market's strong. I know they're a bit more expensive, but those institutions love these trades. All right, so look at here. Green candle here on the monthly, right? Cross that moving average, right? Trading at 199. I know it's expensive, but we can do calls too. Don't go heavy though. So from here to here, we could catch a move. So we'll add this one just to see here. All right, and it is breaking resistance here. Buy signal here. It had its pullback. Look at this candle today. Big candle came in today here. So COIN. Right, that's a reaccumulation phase. And you got your selling here. Is your selling almost a cup and handle there. And that's in Bull Master. COIN. Is this Cabana? Cabana is back. Let's see here. Gapped up. It might fill that gap though. Yeah. If it hadn't gapped up, if we had a clear, just a solid buy, that would be good. But they can fill that gap there. And we're almost done, guys. We'll stop right at 8. 10 more minutes. Good price action. That. Look at that. As we haven't seen the market like this in a long time. Look at that. HOOD. Let's see here. All right, nothing here. This breaking resistance here. Let's take a quick look at the monthly. Because some of these are making all-time highs. If they're making new highs, all-time highs. This one came from, here's at the bottom here. That must be a new IPO. All right. So support is right at 8. Right. White candle coming in here. Let's take a look again at look at the upside. Look at your support down here. Look at really good support, right? At 8. Trading at 15, but look at the upside, right? The high here is 80 and change. And again, with Bull Master, these reaccumulation, these breakouts. So we'll add this. Look here. All right. So it's breaking out of this consolidation. And look how powerful it's breaking out. All right. We'll definitely add this one. And it's inexpensive for Bull Master, trading at 15.59. So Hood, HOOD in Bull Master. All right. Lots of potential on this. Look at this. Breaking out here. Nice big candles. Look at this. It's gapping up too. And it's not filling, they're not filling the gap. They're not coming back. Gapped up here, right? Gapped up here, gapped up here today. All right. But most importantly, take a look at your monthly here. All right. Look at your monthly. This is where it is right here, guys. This is your bottom right here. Here's your support, good support. All right, that support lasted a while. That support lasted, what's that? 2022 to 2024. I mean, look at that. 2 years right here, a year and a half right here. Look at here. All right, nice white candle here. I mean, if it gets anywhere in this area in here, right, you've done well. Okay. All right. So HOOD. All right. Let's keep going. All right. That's gone. Hold on. Nothing here. Stocks are moving. SNBR. Let's take a look here. All right. It did gap up here. All right. We'll look at this one here. So here's your markdown phase. This is a major area to watch. Okay. So this is where it gapped down here. Sellers came in heavy. So we'll put that resistance. Let's bring it here. All right. So this is where sellers came in heavy here. All right. Even here. All right. So we know that area here, which is 31. That's a concern. But I like it did gap up here. So it could get a decent trade from 16 to 30. Okay. It gapped up, but we've got solid candles. You could get a pullback, fill that gap. Okay. All right. Target is right here. All right. Not a bad setup. SNBR. And that's Bull Master there. Okay. Just have a few more and we'll be done. I think we traded this SNDX. SNDX. I think we traded this. I think we traded it here. All right. So we've got another trade here. A lot of consolidation in here. Let's take a quick look at the monthly. All right. So a lot of consolidation, guys, but it's getting past that area. Okay. If it can break through here, which is about 28, 4 points. All right. So trading at 24. So 4 points above. Not a lot. Let's take a look at the weekly. Very choppy on the weekly here. But I tell you, these trades can work out because it's getting past all of that consolidation. All right. We're gonna give this, if anyone trade this, trade it lightly, okay? A lot of consolidation. All right. But boy, if it can break out, all right. Let's bring that here. So we've got two areas to pass if the markets hold. So here we're getting past, here is the buy signal. We are getting past this area here. Second area, if it can make it through. Now this is a more difficult trade here. If we can get past this area here, which is what we said, 26, 28 is up here, but 26 right here, right? We could see a good trade. SNDX. All right, wouldn't go heavy on this. Good price action. TOL. Was that Toll Brothers? All right, let's see here. All right, nice buy signal. Let's take a look at the monthly. If this is all-time highs, all right, guys, this is all-time highs. That's new territory. Look at these candles here. All right, look at that big candle. These are monthly candles here. All right, so this is a reaccumulation phase. Nothing wrong with these trades here. Now you've got purple support and resistance. That's the only concern there. Okay. And that's reaccumulation. You're looking for one more trade like this. If you can get one more trade, and look, it's been trading really well. All right, look at that previous long trade from here to here. All right. And then from here to here, here we are now. Now, this one failed, right? All right, so. And we haven't looked at equities in a few days, so we've got to go through these. So TOL in Bullmaster, okay? Good buy signal, good price action there. All right, VIR. All right, nothing here. All right, we don't have a markdown phase, guys. We need that nice big markdown phase. We don't have that there. A good buying here, though. Look at this. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. They are buying this market. Oh my goodness. That's gone. All right, that's it. That's all, guys. All right, so at least we've gone through both heat seekers for Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Okay. All right, so yen pairs are holding. All right, yen pairs are holding in Monster Scalp in a Forex Dominator. Dollar pairs are holding in Monster Scalper. The US 30 trades, US 30 and NAS. Um, looks like shorts are setting up, but early. Okay, so just wait. We need more confirmation on those. Okay. Um, so hold on, and we have movement in forex. Okay. So US 30 short right here. We have a sell short signal here. We'll keep an eye on it. Okay. If we break, if we just get a pullback, guys, just like the pre now, this is a tricky trade. If we get a pullback like it's done here before, here, here, and here, all right. If we get a pullback back to the moving average, all right, that trade comes down to be about, what is it? Let's see here. Uh, uh, 85,574. 85,574 would bring us about right here. All right. This is the 60 minutes. That would not be a bad short. All right. But we just need, if we can get that short, that candle, red candle to come down about here, all right, we might call it a short. All right, on the US 30. So I would say right about here, right? Breakthrough support here, come down a bit to about here. We might go ahead and call it. And that's 39. So almost a double zero there. All right. Almost a double zero. They like to really push at these even numbers. Okay. So so we'll keep an eye on that overnight. The NAS, right? Here's the short on the NAS setting up. Now, we don't have a sell short signal yet, but this is what is setting up here. Okay. All right. This is your supply zone. Those of you who like to follow supply and demand. All right. Supply zone is up here. All right. This is where sellers came in before here, and here we are. Right. It's rejecting that resistance here. So we just need a sell short signal, more confirmation, all right, to get some good shorts going. And, that depends on what the equity market does tomorrow. But keep an eye on these short opportunities that are setting up. On the S&P, not quite the same yet. Okay, not quite the same. On the S&P, we might have to break this trend line here to go short, or to even get a sell short signal. Okay, so we might have to break this trend line right here to get a sell short signal. But then that's on the S&P. But the NAS and US 30 setting up nicely. Okay. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Have a good evening. Thanks for coming. All right. Take care. Good trading. Trade lightly, though. All right. Good opportunities, but still trade lightly. Take care. Bye-bye.